welcome back to another video. I was laughing because I came on here looking like somebody's grandma. Yo, she got the bottle on and everything. But anyway, by the title you can see we're doing a protein treatment for my hair at the protective style, because if you see my last video, and if you haven't, go watch it. But if you have seen it, then you know that my hair looked really like it needed life. So I'm gonna just talk for a quick little minute. If you don't want to hear it, skip past it. I'll probably have chapters in the thing, so just skip to the next chapter if you don't want to hear this. But anyway, as you know, if you've watched my videos before, I have low porosity hair, so my hair doesn't like protein that much. It actually has too much protein, so I tend to use products that have a little bit of protein or less protein, because when I use products with protein, my hair is crunchy and stuff and it's just a mess. And so like every once in a while, I will do a protein treatment in my hair just to have it up to date. But I realized now that I'm thinking about it, it's been a long time since I've done a protein treatment in my hair. It's been a few months actually. And then just after a protective style, my hair was just feeling just, like it needed protein. I don't know. I can't describe it. I'm not my hair, but I know my hair. And I was looking at my hair when I had to take mask on. I saw that like some of my pieces of hair were straight, and I've done the mask before and that's never happened, and I haven't put any chemicals or anything in my hair, so I know that it was a protein thing. Like my hair was like stringy and stuff, like it's a protein issue. So today we are going to put that protein in my hair. Okay, y'all, so these are the ingredients that I use in my hair. I chose them because they work well and they cater to my hair. If there's anything in the hair mask that you guys don't like, feel free to take it out or even change it up. Make the recipe yours. If you guys have any questions on anything that I used in the hair mask or any of the benefits, feel free to comment down below and I'll definitely let you know. One thing that I forgot to do was blend the aloe vera separately and strain it. If y'all want to do that, do that. It ended up working out fine for me because my blender seems to be pretty high powered, so I didn't have any extra residue in my hair. If you've used aloe vera before, then you know what I'm talking about. It's such a pain to get it out. I'm making the protein mask. I'm sorry if I don't like this angle. I kind of have the camera like pointed forward. I don't know if that looks weird, but like I don't have one on BRA right now, so I don't want to put my business out there, you know, all out there, so I kind of had to prop it up. But yeah, whatever. So if you see my last wash day routine video, I look like somebody's little kid. So let's do a link check. Link check. Shrinkage be catfishing. Like, I look like somebody's little kid, somebody's little boy. But anyway, be quiet. So if you see my last video, at the end you saw that I did plaits in my hair. So I kept those in because like I'm really just like leaving my hair alone. I can't take my own self serious. So let's put my hair up right quick. And who told me to get layers like 3 years ago? I had no business getting layers. So anyway, I've been talking too much. We finna get into it. Without further ado, like for real, I'm actually gonna get into it now. Okay? Okay. So this is like the consistency of it. It smells terrible. Like I just don't like it. I don't like the smell. I think it's gross. The smell almost makes me feel nauseous. I would say if you want to, maybe put an essential oil in there. I didn't think to do that. And it's kind of too late for me, it's not too late for y'all. Yeah, I'm not in my hair now. Y'all see that difference? Like, come on. Hopefully this all comes out of my head, because if it don't, I'll cry. Mad. Okay, y'all, so these are the two products that I'm going to be using. My shampoo and conditioner from YALL Organics. Y'all, let me tell you, I love me some YALL products. Woo! The ones that I have tried, they are bomb. Like, woo! The first step, you're going to want to make sure you rinse out that protein mask very well. You do not want your hair smelling like that stinking behind mask, because then you gonna stink too. It stinks. Rinse it out well. Just do it well. And that rosemary mint shampoo is just gonna come through and do its job. Like, y'all, it just smells so good. It's so strengthening. I cannot make this up. Now we're gonna move on to our conditioner. The conditioner appears lightweight, like color-wise when it's on your hair, but it works so well. Like, it's very moisturizing. It's crazy. First of all, I just want to say, excuse me, I'm looking a hot mess. This conditioner was only supposed to be in my hair 15 minutes, but it turned into 2 days. It kind of just happened that way. I don't know. The whole point of this video was a protein treatment, so you don't need to see me wash it out. So this is pretty much the video. So y'all give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.